Welcome back to the channel, man. If you're new here, I'm T-Mang. Today we're going to dive into how to start natural bodybuilding from scratch. Whether you've been working out for a long time or just starting out, this video is going to give you tips on exactly how to get big and stay lean. Let's get it. Before we jump into how to start, let's first break down what natural bodybuilding actually is. Natural bodybuilding is all about building muscle mass, strength, and endurance without the use of performance-enhancing drugs like steroids. This means you're relying on your body's natural ability to grow, recover, and perform. It's a lifestyle that emphasizes hard work, dedication, and proper nutrition. So if you're looking to transform your body naturally, this is the path for you. Now, the fundamentals of natural bodybuilding are pretty simple. You want to focus on three main things: progressive overload, proper nutrition, and recovery. Let's break each down. Progressive overload is the key to building muscle naturally. It's the concept of consistently increasing the demands on your muscles so that they grow and adapt over time. You can apply progressive overload in a few different ways: increasing the weight you lift over time, increasing the number of reps or sets you perform, or reducing rest time between sets. The way I began, I started out with a weight that challenged me but didn't overwhelm me. Focus on your form first. We're not trying to be powerlifters here. We just want to get the best looking muscle. In order to do that, be tight with your form first, then slowly add more weight or increase the intensity as you get stronger. Next up, let's talk about nutrition. Nutrition is the fuel to building muscle, so let's make sure you get it right. When you're aiming to build muscle, you need to be in a slight caloric surplus, which means eating more than you burn, but don't go overboard. You don't want to gain fat instead of muscle. Here's a simple breakdown. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth, and it helps keep you full. For me, I use Gold Standard protein. I take 2 scoops a day, which is about 48 to 50 grams. Put it in my cup with chocolate milk, and I'm all good to go. Carbs. Carbs are your main source of energy, so make sure to fuel your workouts with complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes. Fats. Don't neglect healthy fats. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, olive oil into your diet. Drink plenty of water throughout your day because the fat won't come off if the water doesn't go in. One part of natural bodybuilding that is often overlooked is recovery. Recovery is big and it's way harder to do when you're not taking anything. You need to give your muscles time to rebuild and grow after a tough workout. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. With proper amount of sleep, your muscles repair and grow. Also, don't be afraid to take rest days. Overtraining can actually hinder your progress, so listen to your body. I recommend working out 5 days, running 6 to 7. Always take care of your body. Now that we know the basics, let's talk about creating your training program. As a beginner, you'll want to stick to full body workouts 3 times a week. Start with compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups. These exercises target multiple muscle groups at once, giving you the most bang for your buck. If you've already been working out and now you want to go into bodybuilding, here's my split. Monday is back, Tuesday is chest, Wednesday is legs, Thursday is shoulders, and Friday is a complete arm day. If you want more on my individual split, I'll make another video on the topic. Stick to the routine you create for 4 to 6 weeks, progressively increasing the weight and reps as you go. Do not rush the process. Finally, let's talk about the most important aspect of bodybuilding: patience. Patience is key. Natural bodybuilding takes time. You won't see overnight results, and that's okay. Progress is gradual, but if you stay consistent with your training, nutrition, and recovery, you will see the results you're looking for. Remember, it's about the small, steady improvements over time. So there you have it. Here's your guide into getting into natural bodybuilding. Focus on progressive overload. Fill your body with great nutrition. Make sure you recover. And last but not least, stay patient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Until next time, T-Man out.